Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover descriptive adjectives or adjectives of quality. Both are the same. So there is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Descriptive adjectives are also known as adjectives of quality. Descriptive adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. We know that adjectives by nature are describers. They describe about noun or a pronoun. And what do descriptive adjectives do in general? They add information and quality to the nouns they modify. So these adjectives describe the kind or the quality of a person or thing. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind of, right? And if you'll apply what kind of to a sentence, you'll automatically get an answer. So let us know more about it through examples. The first one is Sheila has a sweet voice. So it is describing voice. So sweet is an adjective of quality. So let's apply the question here. What kind of voice? Sweet. That is adjective of quality because it describes the quality or the characteristic of a noun that they indicate or modify that way. The next example is Indian tea is famous all over the world. It is describing tea, right? So it is describing tea, so therefore it is an adjective which is descriptive in nature and is also a proper adjective because it starts with the capital letters. What kind of tea? Indian tea. A descriptive adjective or an adjective of quality describe the features such as shape, size, color, taste, etc. So it could be a shape, like it could be circular, tapered, square, oval, flat and crooked. Descriptive adjectives also describe about different sizes such as huge, tiny, large, gigantic, small, little. So they also tell us about the size. Descriptive adjective can also include colors used to describe a noun or a pronoun like blue, pale, golden, dark green, orange, magenta. A descriptive adjective also describes about the appearance of a noun or a pronoun such as beautiful, attractive, ugly, lovely, gorgeous, presentable. Descriptive adjective also describes about the taste of a noun. When we specially refer to taste buds of food, it could be sour, bitter, sweet, tangy, salty and acrid. It also gives us information about the material of which the noun is made up of, like iron, wooden, plastic, glass, silk or even cement. A descriptive adjective tells us about the origin of a noun or a pronoun. For example, Indian, urban, Victorian, tribal, rural, American, African, etc. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. Bye bye until we meet next time.